Hi everyone, and welcome to another CPG video that I'm doing. This week I'm doing something different actually, and I'm going over an app that's already been done, and that's because there's been some new features released and an update to the app that makes it even easier to use, and it's really fantastic. So, welcome back to AR Maker. Really brilliant app. Children love using it. I've used it loads in my class so far. Very creative, and really lovely opportunity to explore and to be as creative as possible. So if I go to create my own scene, I just get my environment and then click. And then difference is now, things that you can now do on AR Maker. If you tap the grid, then that's going to give you the option to really sort of place objects more easily. So now I've got the grid set up. If I choose my option, get the grid back, sorry. Then I can see exactly where I want to place it. And if I place my cube, place it there. Now I'm going to choose something else. So now what is really great, if I choose something, for example, a cone, if I go to here, so put it exactly underneath the cube, and then press the arrows, there's an up and down arrow just above the grid, then now, instead of moving left to right, I'm moving up and down. So now I can place objects on top of other objects to make a creative scene. I can go just like before. If you click on new, I can decide what I want. If I decide I want a cylinder, and paint it, color in the cylinder. Obviously you can use lots of different colors here, do an interesting design. I'm just going to do it quickly. And then I can press tick, and then it's ready for my AR. So now I can use my cylinder, and again, link it up using the grid. And maybe I want to use another cone, put it exactly underneath. Press the up and down arrow, and then there we go. So you can now build things, and if they want to use cubes, and they want to do some real serious building, you can do you can do that. So if I get another cube, put it in place, use up and down, click, get another one. And now I can build, you can build towers in real sort of 3D, there's lots of things you can do here. I mean, we made a Anglo-Saxon village, but you can do skyscrapers or all sorts, loads of different creative stuff that you can do. Some of the other things to do as well, when you do place an object, just another feature to look at, so say I just place a cone and place one here. Down in the bottom right, if I click on that cone, there's lots of different animations I can do now. So for example, blink, pulse, spinning you can't really easily see. You can maybe see it there unless it's coloured in, it's harder to see, but you can do the cone is spinning clockwise, counterclockwise, got vibrate, move left to right, move forward and backwards, move up and down, or you've got orbit. And then you've got as well a little slider to change that in terms of how it's actually the distance it is orbiting. So very cool. And you can edit and you can delete the object as well if you want. So yeah, so that's it really. They're the updated features. That's the that's the updated features of the app, but it's just a really brilliant, fun app for children to build something really creative. Lots of different opportunities you could use it for, whether it's creating a scene from story. Like I said, we used it linking it to our history topic, and we made representations of the Anglo-Saxons. Children were talking about when they placed the objects, what those objects represented. But there's lots of applications used for science, particularly the orbiting feature and things like that if you're doing space. So there's tons of stuff that you could do. So hopefully you have a go at it and enjoy it. Thanks.